So you've bought the perfect bra, you've tried every style and every strap placement, you even considered whether it is just in your head. But that stubborn bulge near your armpit, it's still there and it refuses to go away. Let's get something straight. That bulge is not extra fat. It could very well be axillary breast tissue and it is much more common and treatable than most people realize. Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Bansal, your perfectionist plastic surgeon, back with a new video. And today we are addressing something that affects thousands of people but often goes undiagnosed or mislabeled. This is your complete guide to axillary breast tissue removal. What it is, why it forms, how we treat it, and what recovery really looks like. So this is actually breast tissue and not fat. This develops in the underarm area, also known as axilla, and this tissue forms during the embryological development when the breast tissue lines, also known as milk lines, they extend from the armpit to the groin region. In most people, these milk line, it regresses over time, but in some patients, a portion remains, often unnoticed until hormonal changes or weight gain bring it forward. So this tissue, it contains glandular elements including ducts, fibrous tissue and sometimes even nipple areola complexes. This can enlarge with menstrual cycles, pregnancy, lactation and it can also become painful or tender. Now, unlike fat, axillary breast tissue, it is dense, it is resistant to exercise and diet, and it is hormonally active. So, it does not shrink with weight loss. So, there are two main treatment options. Now, first is liposuction. So, if the bulge is primarily soft and fatty and it is small, then we can remove that with liposuction alone. A small incision is made and a cannula is inserted to suction out, break and suction out the fat and gland. Recovery in this is relatively quick, small incision and patient can resume activities in 2 to 3 days time. Second option is surgical excision. Now if it is very large, then there is also skin excess and only removing the gland will lead to a lot of sagging in the axillary area. So in these cases, this skin is also excised along with removal of the gland and the fat component. The incision is placed discreetly in the underarm region so that it is not very visible. The recovery is not very difficult. Again, from next day onwards, the patient can resume light activities, but they have to wear compression garment for 4 to 6 weeks and they have to take care of the incision line, the scar. They gradually fade with time and become less visible over a period of 6 months. Pain with both the procedures is minimal, more like tightness or soreness rather than sharp discomfort, and it is easily managed with medication. The results, like I said, they begin to show once the swelling settles and final result is visible in 6 months' time. If you constantly adjust your bra to hide that bulge, avoid sleeveless outfits and feel discomfort or fullness in your underarm area, especially after pregnancy, hormonal shifts or weight changes, this could be the answer you've been looking for. It is not about perfection, it is about feeling more comfortable in your own body. Axillary breast tissue removal, this is a small outpatient procedure, but it can make a huge difference in daily comfort, clothing choices, and confidence. I'm here to help you whenever you feel ready.